That's a good ass fish. Oh, yeah, guys. What's up, guys? I'm out here at the park. The rest of the lakes, there's like 5 lakes out here. The rest of them are all frozen right now. Currently I'm throwing the micro citizen, or as the hookup tackle calls it, the nutsack rig. We're gonna be throwing it around over in these this deep weedy section here, and hopefully maybe there's something hiding in there. This is the first time I've been able to get out. It's like 55 degrees out today and pretty sunny. Feels nice out. There's still ice on the rest of the lakes over on the other side, but hopefully that ice will be gone in the next few days. The action on that micro citizen is so good. You barely have to move it at all. Nice one on, guys. Fighting pretty hard. Got him. Yes, sir. Nice largemouth, guys. On the jackhammer. See that bad boy up in his mouth. With the G-Crack bellows vibe stick or whatever as a trailer. Alright, and that's a nice one, guys. Probably about a 2.5 pounder. What is up, guys? Just caught about a 2.5 pounder. About to let him go. See you, girl. Another one on, guys. Fighting hard. Got a bottom lip. Barely hooked, guys. Probably about a 2 pounder here. Nice one. Kind of deformed tail, but nice one. Alright, guys, just caught another 2 pounder here. About to let her go. See you, girl. I just wanted to take a moment to let you guys know about a product that I've been using recently. I recently quit vaping, and the Zman pouches were really not hitting the spot. They don't last very long, and they just don't hit the spot, I guess. So I've recently been using these L pouches. They are so much better. They come with 20 per pack, 3, 6, and 9 milligram options, and yeah, you can use my affiliate link, which is in the description, 10% off. Hey GoPro, start recording. Alright guys, just caught another smallmouth, probably nice pattern on there too. Probably closer to 2 pounder probably. See you girl.